What's going on, all you droniacs out there? Just got done flying over here at Chambers Grove. As you can see, it's the annual pelican migration coming in. This is the St. Louis River right here. Looks like they just did some prescribed burns. But as you can see over on the river, there's some pelicans coming down to migrate. So it's kind of my annual tradition to come down here and get shots of these guys. Pretty cool to see them come flying in. As long as I'm not too close to them, they're pretty cool with me. So let's see if we can get a little bit better zoom in on them. Look at those guys. So yeah, there they all are. There's probably 100 of them down there. And then on the other side of this island too, zoom back out, and at the other side of this island, there's another little grouping of pelicans. Years past, it wasn't quite as much, but this year, I don't know what it is, but they really started coming back in full force. We're right outside of Jay Cook. This river leads right into Jay Cook State Park here. I will have the video on either tomorrow or the next day of the full flight. So anyway, I will talk to you later. Everybody have a good one. Bye now.